Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing for the Ignition MHSC Japan Cup 2024 edition. So this kit is released in conjunction with the Japan Cup held in 2024. Let's get to the unboxing. Firstly, we're going to talk about the tires. These are super hard tires with white letterings, and the lettering says Japan Cup 2024 Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive. A lot of the pro racers love to use super hard tires because they are very grippy and also great on cornerings. They also have less bounce whenever we are landing on jumps. The next one is we have this uniquely looking cover. So this is the Ignition cover. So this is in material ABS. However, this cover is in Persian white. So you see in a different angle, you might see some pearly reflections. Looks quite nice. If you don't like to paint, then this might be the cover for you. Don't forget a set of accessories. This comes with your standard kit for the terminals and a high-speed gear which is in green and pink. Don't forget your stock motor. We have a set of yellow fluorescent medium diameter 12-spoke tires in all medium narrow tires, and this is also in PP material. So a lot of people like to use medium, or especially in BMAX class and also in Pro class, so that they can trim down to a certain diameter that fits their build. And we have this green. I don't know how to say about the green. It looks like a muted green, forest green, dull green. I don't know what green you want to call it, but it's green. So let's just call it Hulk, okay? So this is the Hulk green, and this is in ABS material. Last but not least, your A parts, which is in fluorescent yellow. So these are made in those POM material. So POM is great because of its low friction ability. So if you use the plastic wheel shaft bearing, they are great for starters. Once you have a budget, you can upgrade to your HG bearings if you wish to do so. And last but not least, a set of manuals that I'm not going to go about this. So there you go, the 2024 edition of Ignition. Do let me know what you think about it, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.